How to replace the footrest actuator on the Human Touch Quies massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts for use during reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Unzip the foot and calf massager upholstery, and then remove the foam insert. Remove the clips securing each side of the foot and calf massager to the posts by using a small flathead screwdriver to wedge it open, just enough to pull the clip off. Slightly lift and slide the foot and calf massager to one side to allow one mounting bracket to clear the mounting post, then to the other side to free the opposite mounting post. Disconnect the air hose and connector to remove the foot and calf massager. Then, remove the upper plastic cover by unscrewing the 5 screws securing it to the chair base. Now, gently tip the chair onto its right-hand side. Use a wire cutter to cut the zip tie securing the footrest actuator cable to the chair frame, then pry off the connector box cover and press the tab to disconnect the footrest actuator connectors. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 2 screws securing the plastic cover to the bottom of the chair. Then unscrew the 2 front screws and remove the plastic cover. The footrest actuator is secured at 2 mounting points by a nut and bolt. Clamp a vice grip onto the bolt on the top of the front mounting point and use pliers to remove the nut from the bottom of the bolt. Pull the bolt upward to remove. Holding your hand under the mounting point, swing the wheel bracket out of the way and catch the metal insert that drops from the actuator. There will also be a metal insert on the top of the actuator. Now, hold the nut on the top of the rear mounting point with a vice grip or pliers and use a 6 mm Allen wrench to remove the bolt from the bottom. Then, hold your hand under the mounting point as you remove the actuator to catch the metal insert. To install the new footrest actuator, replace the metal insert previously removed into the rear side of the actuator and place the actuator into position, aligning the rear mounting point. Using the Allen screw and nut previously removed, insert the Allen screw from the bottom and install the nut at the top by hand. Then use pliers or vice grip and a 6 mm Allen wrench to secure. Place the metal inserts previously removed into position on the top and bottom of the actuator shaft, aligning the grooves, then hold the inserts in place while aligning the mounting points on the wheel bracket. Using the bolt and nut previously removed, insert the bolt from the top and install the nut at the bottom by hand, then tighten using a vice grip and pliers to secure. Now, slide the plastic cover behind the chair frame, then slide the 2 tabs on the rear edge of the cover into the corresponding slots on the chair. Screws previously removed on the inside of the chair frame. Then replace the 2 remaining screws previously removed to secure the plastic cover to the bottom of the chair. Thread the actuator connector inside the chair frame and connect to the corresponding connector on the chair, then place inside the connector box, aligning the cables with the slots. Then, align the connector box cover tabs with the corresponding slots on the box, and snap into place to secure, making sure there are no cables pinched in the connector box cover. Secure the footrest actuator cable to the chair frame using a new zip tie and cut any excess tie. Now, gently tip the chair back onto its base. Then, place the upper front plastic cover into position, aligning the slots with the corresponding tabs on the chair, and secure using the 5 screws previously removed. Reinstall the foot and calf massager by placing it into position and inserting the air hose, pushing firmly to secure. Then insert the connector. Now, slide each mounting bracket onto the mounting post on the chair, one side at a time, and secure using the clips previously removed. It is important that the metal ring does not fall out of the mounting bracket as it slides onto the post. Finally, replace the foam insert previously removed between the massager and chair seat and zip the massager upholstery to the seat cushion.